Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Ads. Today I'll take another look into the charts, and I'm about to leave for my holiday. How is stuff looking? Well, the S&P 500 or the ES1 futures, we're correcting a little bit. It doesn't look that bad to me. To be honest, this is what I'm seeing, a little bit of a falling wedge over there. Gold is doing a push higher now. Could be a bearish retest, but looking pretty good to me. This is the line they need to get above. Nasdaq just made a higher low over here, this one compared to that one, so that's looking good. And the Dixie, is about to test support over here, which we do want them to break it. As soon as they get above this one, we are in trouble. Simple as that. This is the higher time frame we're looking at for the S&P 500, and we just want to stay above this trend line. That is what it's all about. Of course, we do see declining volume, which is a thing that is scary, and this is what we're in with the Dixie. We just want to see lower highs and lower lows. That line is support right now as well. We can remove this one because it's not relevant anymore. This one is not relevant anymore as well. And this level is what we want the Dixie to stay below. If they get above this one, we're effed. Simple as that. And we want to have lower lows. We're not trading it. We're just looking at it for correlations. Let's go to the daily for Bitcoin right here. And it was a trend line break here as well, something that should scare us, of course. Right now, really important support right now on a higher time frame is 42k. I'm leaning bullish. You can see it right here, we're basically making higher lows all the time, not really higher highs yet. Funding is negative, discounts are real. So that is looking pretty good. 1 second over here. As you can see, fundings all have been reset. Looking pretty good, especially, on, oh man, Ethereum. Why so high? Why is Ethereum so high over there? Oh, sorry, it's BitMEX. Funding on BitMEX on Ethereum is always extremely high. That's because it's BTC margined. I don't know how that works or how you're gonna work with that, but anyway, fundings look great, have all been reset, and that is good. Ethereum does look a little bit better than Bitcoin as well. I'm just seeing higher lows, negative funding, discounts. Bitcoin, for me, the way to trade it is up. 4 hours, that's not cool. Wait a second. That's 4 hours. It's looking good. Aiming for upside. And, right now it's quite an important level right here of these lows. Other than that, nothing special. This trend line is what we want to get above again. It's just a classical mu pattern is what we called it. It's basically a liquidation event like we saw over here. And this was just a very sharp one. I think it is an organized event, together with the DDoS attack on Bitfinex. Bitfinex usually has one of the thickest order books there are. So it's not easy, to dump through Bitfinex unless you do a DDoS attack on them. That's what happened. It's all about getting back above this trend line over here and people keeping shorting. So that is what we're looking for on hourly. We just want to get above this one, then get above this one, and just want to see higher highs. We're seeing higher lows right now, so that is good. Ethereum looking a little bit better than Bitcoin right here. Not at the moment for a scalp, but this structure looks better. A little bit of an inverse head and shoulders, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Ethereum BTC, zoom out. Made a good wick from the lows, but right now, you know, probably going somewhere here or here for some retests. So this area, I would say. I know my charts are a little bit messy, and Solana, holy F, guys, holy fucking F, above $200, and that's what Sam does. I expected resistance to be over here, and they completely ignored the resistance over here, which I thought would be coming up over there. And yeah, Sam coins really are in a league of their own. Targets, you know, I cannot say. Step, my boy, Step is doing great over here as well. Had a huge dip from, what was it, 150 to 50 cents. You know, be careful trading leverage on altcoins, and right now they're at 135 again, looking completely fucking loco. So that is great as well. Step, you know, will be a moon coin, pretty sure about that. Doge not pretty. Doge needs to get back above this line over here. That is, yeah, 26.40 on a daily. You know, it still looks good, of course, but we really want them to get back above these lows over here. And then Doge is good again. Same for Doge BTC. And right now, you know, in the lower time frame, scalping wise, discounts are pretty good, aiming for upside. Fundings look good. People are a lot less greedy, 45. And this, you know, is still running up, I guess. People still signing up for exchanges. And, you know, this week is not complete yet, so no point in looking at that. Open interests. Let's see what those did. Yeah, you know, they got a huge shock, you know. We went from 1.8 billion to back to 1.25. And if you go look at the 4 hour, we can see, you know, maybe you can see 60k on it. You know, like over here we were at 4k for a bit, or almost 4k. Went to close to 2 billion, you know, got that nuke, and it got reset completely. And that is about it. Yeah, Elizabeth Warren was fucking a little bit with Bitcoin over here, fudding a little bit. She was talking complete shit, and Marty Bent had a really good comment on that. And that's about it. Make sure to subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment. Tomorrow a really good interview is coming out, and I hope you guys enjoy. See you guys again tomorrow.